So here you can see this thing. And then they test it again. No, wait. So today we're working on my Cavalier, trying to get it fixed. I pulled up the other day and it just would not crank. It won't turn over. And I tried to jump it off of my truck. I tested it and I was getting 14 volts from my truck while it was charging. I've had the battery on charge. It still will not turn over. And then I got the starter and I jumped the two posts on the solenoid. It's kind of hard to see. But I jumped the post on the solenoid and it won't turn over. So I'm having a sneaky suspicion it might be the starter. So we're going to pull it off and test it. Bear with us. Don't be a bear with us. So here you can see this thing that I have a DC power station. We got 12 volts. And so theoretically if I put 12 volts to this, then it should spin. So you can see if we put power to this, it engages, but it won't, it's not spinning. And so it tells me the starter's bad. It's when you, on a switch, whenever you turn your switch and engage it, even though this has power, it's just engaging. It's not actually turning the motor over. So we're going to test this solenoid. So we got our ground here, and we got our 12 volt positive here, and we have, this is our jumper. We're going to act like this is our switch, and this thing should take off and spin. But you can, it's hard to see. So instead of spinning, it's just going to chatter. Okay guys, so here's the new one. I'm going to do a little bit of testing on it before we put it in this, just to see how it acts compared to how the last one acted. So I got this off of eBay for about $65. It was about $150 at O'Reilly's. And this one comes with a, I think, a 1-year warranty, or maybe a 2-year warranty. So this white is our ground, and we're going to hook it up to the body right here. And then we got our power, which would be coming from your battery. And we're going to hook it up here. And then I've got a jumper, hot. I'm going to jump from that hot over to the switch. And this thing should jump out, and the cog should turn. Doing the same thing as our other one. Not very encouraging. I took the other one to O'Reilly's. They tested it It failed the first time, and then it tested again. No, wait. They put it on the tester. The first attempt for it to turn, it didn't turn. The second time it turned, but it failed. It ended up failing the test. This thing is not turning. I don't know. I guess we'll put it on the car and just see what it does. I don't suspect it doing anything different.